What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're gonna install the transmission. I've been grinding at work all week, getting this thing all sorted and put together. This is actually not a stock transmission. Going back in here, this is a GearX dog box. I've been waiting a long time for this thing. We've gone through a couple revisions on it, trying to make it strong, make it work, make it right, so that at the end of the day, you guys get a good product. I'm kind of one of the guinea pigs, along with Aaron. You guys know Aaron Lopez. He's mainly the guy testing it, but I'm gonna be putting some street miles on her. So we'll see how she goes. I don't know if I'll start it tonight. It's kind of late already, but yeah, I'm gonna get you guys set up. Probably hit a little time loop and yeah, get her put in. Sorry guys, GoPro died. But no worries. I was pretty much finished underneath whenever it did. So I just ran and charged it and then got everything else ready. Yeah, we're pretty much set. Still got to throw this wheel on. Let's see here. I'm about to fill the trans. I usually just take this reverse switch out and this super old factory PCV hose. Works great because one end's kind of big. You can shove a funnel in. You can just cut the other end and it comes right off. So let me sit you guys down and we'll get to it. I'm trying out this Redline gear oil this time around. It's supposed to be a little quieter on dog boxes, so we shall see. If you guys know anything about dog boxes, they're usually straight cut instead of helical cut like the factory transmissions. Factory helical cuts them so that there's no noise while you're driving them. This is a little bit hole, so this is gonna take a while. So yeah, we're gonna try this stuff. It's very very blue and milky. Strange. It's 10:15. I really shouldn't start this thing because my neighbors are like 2 feet away. But I think we gotta know, right? It honestly may not start. I don't know how the battery is. Can't cold start it with the wideband in. Ethanol issues. Too much water out of the exhaust kills sensor. So put my plug in. And speaking of water out of the exhaust, I'm also gonna shut the hood. Sorry. Now you can see how ugly the paint is. Remember what I said about water? We're doing this too. Alright, wish me luck. Okay guys, that noise we heard earlier, know what it is, no problem, she's good, self-clearanced. I forget that this is an issue with the comp twin disc clutches, the flywheel on some of the H series. I think this is an older one, I'm pretty sure they got the issue fixed now. But the flywheel will rub on the inside of the bell housing on the transmission. And that's what we were hearing. So I gave her some revs and she doesn't make that noise anymore. So she's good. Don't worry guys. I didn't think about it when I switched bell housings from the transmission that I pulled out the other night. So 'tis what it is. She's good to go. I'll probably take it for a spin tomorrow, see how she does. It's wet and cold right now and late, so that's not gonna happen. But all right, I'm gonna end it here. See you guys around.